Today I am in the jungle. Do you know any wild animals? Do you want to help me? I'm looking for them. But you need a binocular. Do you have a binocular? No? Let's make it. You will need 1, 2 toilet paper rolls, a piece of string, scissors, glue, or a piece of tape. Let's make it. First, you get your 2 paper rolls and you stick it together, okay? I used a stapler. If you don't have, no problem. Okay, one side and the other side, so it's easier. But if you don't have, you can get a piece of tape and you can put both together. Or you can get the glue, okay? Yes? Now I used a hole punch. One side and the other side. If you don't have, use the scissors and make the hole. Yes? Now you get the string and you make a knot. And then you do the same thing in the other side. And that's it. Now you have your binoculars. Let's go to the jungle. What is it? Listen. It's a lion. Listen. What is it? It's a what? Yes, it's a giraffe. Let's keep looking for. Listen. It's a jaguar. Beautiful, isn't it? Listen. What is it? Yes, it's an elephant. Listen. That's so cute. It's a monkey. No, it's a lot of monkeys. 1, 2, 3. Hey, Tati, are you looking for some wild animals? I am a wild animal. Yes, Zizi, you are a zebra. Are wild animals. Zizi, look over there. Who are they? It's my family, the zebras. So nice, Zizi. Thank you for helping me find the zebras. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Very nice. That's it for today. Bye-bye. See you. Bye-bye, everyone.